Hey everyone, it's Eric Miller, co-owner of Econologics Financial Advisors, and I'm really excited to bring you this Econologics exit and wealth management plan that we built specifically for business owners. Now look, all of you at some point in time are going to exit your business, and you should have a goal of what a successful business sale looks like. So I'm going to give it to you. Number one, you should have enough money from the proceeds of the sale that you can create multiple and reliable income streams, where you get rid of all of your bad non-income producing debt, where your assets are protected from taxes, long-term health issues, creditor attacks, and inflation risks. And yes, you have time to pursue whatever life goals that you have. That would be an optimum goal for a business sale. So why did we create this plan? Well, here's why. In working with business owners over the last 13 years, we've seen many business owners that have exited out their business. And the biggest problem that we saw is that they try to manage the proceeds of the sale after the sale already occurred. And you think that you're ready to get $5, $10, $15 million deposited in your account and be like, that's the greatest day of my life, right? No problem. That's not what we experienced. When you get that much money, you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to make a mistake. I want to make sure that this money is managed correctly, that it's protected. And you don't want to set up your exit and wealth management plan after the sale occurs. You want to have everything set up prior to the sale so you know exactly where your money's going. You know exactly how to manage the tax strategies to minimize the tax liability of the sale. And that way you can go on and do whatever you want to do with your life after the sale occurs. So who is this plan for? It is for business owners who have a buyer on the line, preferably with a letter of intent, and we have at least 2 to 3 months prior to closing. That's who this plan is built for. Now, what are you going to get in this plan? Well, number one, we're going to do an analysis of the sale based upon the terms that you've negotiated. And we're going to show you what the tax effects would be of the sale. And then, of course, we're going to give you some advanced tax planning strategies so that we can help minimize the tax liability before the sale occurs. Not only that, but we're going to give you a complete wealth and asset protection plan, not just giving you cookie cutter advice. We're going to look at alternative investment strategies. We're going to look at advanced asset protection strategies so that you are certain that your money's going in the right places. And then we're going to do some post-sale planning as well, mapping out what your life is going to look like after the sale. Now, what does this plan not include? Well, we're not brokers, so I'm not going to help you find a buyer or sell your business or negotiate the terms or do all of the legal agreements that are part of an actual business sale. We're not attorneys, we're not accountants, we're not going to handle the legal aspects of that, but we are going to give you recommendations on things to set up, and then you'll have a team that'll actually help you implement that. Look, this is going to be the largest transaction of your life, but there's no reason to be scared. We just want to make sure that you are prepared. Now, I know a lot of you have a wealth management advisor, maybe an accountant that you think can assist you, but I'm going to tell you right now, in our experience, you really need someone that has navigated and has guided people through this process. And that way, at the end of this whole thing, you feel extremely confident that your financial life looks like this. You're invested properly, you are protected, you are debt-free, and you are set for life. Now, if you want more info on this plan, make sure you click the button below. Let us know you want to reach out to us, schedule a meeting with an Econologics specialist, and we'll answer any questions you have regarding your specific situation. Okay, do well.